up, everyone! The Baron is about to speak. Listen up, everyone. The Baron is speaking. We're going to have a grown-up conversation here, gentlemen. So move your tribals away from the radios. Done? Good. It has come to my attention that Sheldon told people that I should not have been 20, and that 20 was an okay guy. And I overreacted over some stupid shit we intended for the tribal. Who cares if he got dropped within the slave side and took a leak into the holy flame? Well, I have just put Shell Game down. Nothing could be done about that. Those of you who he owed can get remuneration from his wife. It's worth it. So, to avoid further incidents like this, I gotta tell you people something here. Especially the new one. Tell me, why do the tribals obey us? Is it because they fear us? It partly is. But fear before man is not absolute. When your life is so shitty you've got nothing to lose, you start having rebellious thoughts, even if you are the lowest of the tribals. And can we have that, gentlemen? No. We cannot have that. That is exactly why tribals must have faith. Faith in the supreme forces, making the world what it is, making a master a master, and a slave a slave.
Artyom, you just left me. Turn into the ravine at the rusty boat. I'm waiting for you there.
Will inevitably end up on the same bayonet. But the power supported by bayonets and faith is eternal. This is what you have to always keep in mind, gentlemen. Why I always say,
Are you ready? How are the guys doing with no water?
but it will undoubtedly pay off. Remember,
While you were away, I scouted it out a bit.
and I want to make sure that we are
As you might suspect, we're approaching the spring through the back door. Kuhl says lots of people used to live in these caves. There was basically a real town. But then the geysers opened up and they all had to flee. Let's go! Well, the bridges are burnt now. Let's climb a bit higher to get a better look around. The cave isn't going anywhere. Wow, that's some noise! What's that? Huh? Ah, shaitan! Stupid bats! Yeah. This place is totaled. When setting out, I kind of had hopes of finding something about my people, if not my relatives. But now I find out. And it hurts. Steady, steady. Aha! Right at the entrance. Get ready, Artyom. Charge the torch, check the filters and other gear. I have this feeling, a vaguely unnerving one. Well, to hell with the feelings. Here, let me give you a boost.
Let's continue. Now we cross the bridge and head right. Looks like we're almost out. Follow me! The passage to the spring! Let's go! Another cave-in.
Well, it's a crawl from here on.
See that car? I'll move there and hide behind it. The gate is controlled from that tower. When you open it, I'll rush the car through and you leave it on the tank. Good luck, and try not to kill anyone but
not
the
tell
well,
anyone I
alright?
saw you. Not tell. I see tools. I'm not telling you.
Artyom, you open the gate and I'll bring the car in.
Yeah, so much for skill.
At least they got their just desserts. What do the slaves do now? Where do they go? I checked the car already. It's in order. Good.
Not enough gas in the tank to take us to the Aurora.
Right, too. Come on! They might have sent for backup!
Well, we finally lost them. Oh, it's a shame about the slaves. None of this was their fault. Looks like they aren't giving chase. Time to get close to the Aurora. You tired? All right, brother. Have some rest.
Ready! Spread out! Sir, Anna, to the left! Out of the car, now!
Whoa, we showed them all right, didn't we?
Yes, we did. The thing is, their army is in a massive raid now. And this is just... the Baron sending his regards.
How many of them are there?
700, I think.
Whoa. Yeah, we lucked out here. And we'd better not overstay our welcome.
We won't get far burning twigs. 5 clicks at best.
The dogs have fuel. Lots of it. A full tanker carriage on the rails. If we open gate quietly, we can steal it. They shouldn't have many guards now.
Can you guide our men?
I can.
Let's get to business then. Yermak, Crest, you prepare the Aurora. Finish filling the boiler with water and drain the car's tanks. Artyom, Damir, you get the most important part. Stealing that tank.
Yes, sir.
Good luck, gentlemen. Anna, Idiot, Tokarev, we're breaking camp, people.
Don't forget to check your gear and prepare before you set out.
Maybe we could still negotiate with them.
I tried that already. No dice. He takes women as payment.